A Chinese proverb says, "The trick to life is to die young, but as late as possible." It is not so important to live long, but to live long beautifully and with joy. This is the principle of active longevity we advocate for. Poor ecology, unhealthy lifestyle, serious illness, death. Various remedies proposed by scientists from the United States, Japan, Russia, and other countries, which contained peptides, help to strengthen the body's resistance to disease and slow down the aging processes. The creators of innovative multi-component peptide bio-regulators, MyRealWay, were first in the world who managed to place in a small special capsule low molecular weight peptides and amino acids together with vitamin and mineral complexes as well as medicinal plant extracts which reinforce its effects. The most famous researchers from the European Academy of Natural Sciences and the European Branch of Regenerative Medicine and Nutricology of European Scientific Society use this great invention, deploying unique products which slow down the aging processes and restore health. Even in cases when eating patterns are balanced, adapted physical activity is ongoing, and medical care is excellent, keeping youth, vitality and energy is impossible without accumulating the reserve of vital nutrients and microelements, the gold reserve, which provide the activation of the body's own defenses. They in particular can act as a barrier for the development of age-related changes, as well as to prevent the development of cell mutations which cause oncological problems. Biologically active supplements, MyRealWay, constitute a reliable accumulation tool of gold reserves. Deliberately chosen, scientifically based ingredients of these products, together with clear mechanism of regulatory effects on body cells, organs and systems, allow to selectively and separately influence the cause of the disease, the problems it provoked, and therefore to enhance health in general, as well as to activate vital energy and the ability of the body to counteract and resist disease. And what is most important, to force and teach the body to fight on its own, meaning letting the person stay healthy. Our peptide bioregulators, MyRealWay, have impact on certain metabolic processes which appear in the form of symptoms of various diseases. Thus, by taking our products and adjusting nutrition, healing processes are being activated and encouraged. All MyRealWay products are characterized by scientific achievements-based recipe. It is made of precisely calculated ratios of urgent, interdependent, complementary and reinforcing each other's effect, physiologically significant components to generate what we already understand, the gold reserves of nutrients. While developing products, we used our own professional expertise. We also were very interested in a recent development of experimental and theoretical research on the effect of low molecular weight, so-called short peptides on the body and bioregulation processes. Work with short peptides proved to be very interesting due to the fact that this activity has particularly attracted the scientific community and was awarded the Nobel Prize in 2004. Thus, in the development of MyRealWay, we used both the most interesting and the most scientifically advanced data, as well as our own research work, experience that allowed us to make products which are able to have a multi-layered effect on the body, the cells, organs, and organ systems. Multi-component peptide bioregulators, MyRealWay, contain a complex of low molecular weight biologically active peptides and amino acids that act as stimulants of processes of organ regeneration, as well as recovery. Additionally, biologically active substances derived from medicinal plants, as well as vitamin and mineral complexes, which supply vital nutrients, micronutrients, macronutrients necessary for the functioning of organs and for metabolism, all work in an interdependent, mutually reinforcing mode.
процесса жизнедеятельности и обмена веществ. Все препараты MyRealWay сделаны из...
All products MyRealWay are made from effective eco-friendly raw materials using expensive high-performance equipment. All this is particularly important because we are talking about innovation.
Необходимо, потому что мы говорим об инновациях.
Products enter to the internal organs in capsules made of special stable polymers of vegetable origin. The capsule shell is completely inert towards the biologically active ingredients it contains. It's not broken down in the stomach, but gradually collapses. It starts to work in the small intestine, thus allowing the delivery of a maximum effective dose of the product in the exact place where it is most needed. Innovative products MyRealWay trigger healing and anti-aging processes. They help to restore metabolism, compensate the deficit of biologically active substances, normalize intestinal microflora and parietal digestion, stimulate restoration of cell structure and function, as well as have antioxidant effects. Peptide bio-regulators MyRealWay help cleaning the organism and protect it from toxins, have directed action to restore the physiological functions of the cardiovascular system, respiratory organs, digestive, and urogenital systems, help normalize the state of nervous and endocrine systems, musculoskeletal system, keep good hearing and vision, health and beauty of skin, hair and nails. Bio-regulators MyRealWay are effective means of disease prevention and activating the body's self-defense forces by adjusting nutrition patterns both for seemingly healthy people and for those suffering from chronic diseases or undergoing various stages of rehabilitation after illness. It is an additional source of nutrients which the body fails to receive with food due to the development of certain diseases. Therefore, we have developed such a complex of products enabling to purposefully compensate the shortage of nutrients which appears due to certain disease. These products are intended to prevent, if a person knows that he suffers from a chronic disease, by taking the products as a preventative measure, he can prevent the disease from further worsening, as well as prevent transformation of chronic condition into a malignant or benign tumor. By restoring some elements and adding the missing quantity, the mechanism of healing processes is being promoted, which helps the body to deal with the problem. The most important and the most interesting feature of multi-component peptide bio-regulators MyRealWay is restoration. Restoration, as it was already mentioned, on cell, organ and system level. Therefore, MyRealWay complexes can certainly be regarded as a truly important mechanism for active longevity. As we restore, therefore, deceive the Creator in order for a person to remain healthy, young and strong as long as possible. The European Academy of Natural Sciences, its International Council of Experts and the European Scientific Society have recognized the development of products of MyRealWay as invention. You can find out more about the unique health products MyRealWay during the seminars and lectures organized by the European Branch of Regenerative Medicine and Nutricology of European Scientific Society.